Hi students, once again welcome back to your English grammar class. Students, in this video today we will learn a new chapter, that is articles. But before understanding the concept of articles, before understanding its definition and examples, you need to have a very clear idea about what nouns are. Unless you understand what a noun is, you won't be able to understand how to place or how to use an article in a sentence. Though in the previous lessons we have learned what a noun is, still we need to start with a bit of revision of the chapter noun. As I told you students, noun is a naming word. Whatever you see around you, all are nouns. So here is the picture of some nouns. See here: car, coffee, house, alarm clock, rubber, umbrella, dog, bus, milk, school, Coca-Cola, a pencil, tree, bird, bicycle, ice cream, cheese, pineapple, apple, flower, fish, motorbike, hamburger, French fries, cherry, grapes, boy, cat, aeroplane, bread, pizza, orange, banana, girl, shape. All these are naming words, hence they are all nouns. And now let's understand what is a singular noun and what is a plural noun. Singular noun stands for a single object or a single thing. In the picture above, you can find there is one bird that is singular and one mango that is singular. And in the picture below, you can find there are many birds. It becomes plural, and many mangoes hanging from the tree. It becomes plural. Now let's get into today's topic, that is articles. At first, we need to know the definition of articles. What are articles? Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Let's consider the following examples. After the long day, the cup of tea tasted particularly good. Now, by using the article the, we have shown that it was one specific day that was long and one specific cup of tea that tasted good. This same sentence can be written in this way. After a long day, a cup of tea tastes particularly good. Now in this sentence, by using the article a, we have created a general statement, which is implying that any cup of tea would taste good after any long and hectic day. After getting the definition of articles, now let's look into the types of articles. How many types of articles are there? There are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. What do you mean by the definite article? The definite article is the word the. It limits the meaning of a noun to one particular thing. For example, your friend might ask, "Are you going to the party this weekend?" The definite article tells you that your friend is referring to a specific party that both of you know about. The definite article can be used with singular, plural, or uncountable nouns. Below are some examples of the definite article the used in context. Please give me the hammer. Please give me the red hammer. The blue one is too small. Please give me the nail. Please give me the large nail. It's the only one strong enough to hold this painting. Please give me the hammer and the nail. So in these sentences, we are specifying the hammer and we are also particularly telling which nail we want. So the pink letter the becomes the definite article. Now here is the definition and example of the indefinite article. The indefinite article takes two forms. It's the word a when it precedes a word that begins with a consonant. It's the word an when it precedes a word that begins with a vowel. The indefinite article indicates that a noun refers to a general idea rather than a particular thing. For example, you might ask your friend, "Should I bring a gift to the party?" Your friend will understand that you are not asking about a specific type of gift or a specific item. "I am going to bring an apple pie." Your friend tells you. Again, the indefinite article indicates that she is not talking about a specific apple pie. Your friend probably doesn't even have any pie yet. The indefinite article only appears with singular nouns. Consider the following examples of indefinite articles used in context. Please hand me a book. Any book will do. Please hand me an autobiography. Any autobiography will do. So in these sentences, we are not referring to a definite book. We are not referring to a definite autobiography. Hence, we are using the indefinite article a and an. Now we will look into where to place a and where to place an. Articles a and the come before nouns. The indefinite article a and an always come before singular nouns, whereas the definite article the comes before both singular and plural nouns. To use the indefinite article a, we need to keep in mind a few points. A is always used with nouns that begin with consonants. The alphabets F, N, G, P, S, X, W, T, B, L, K, these are the consonants. But the indefinite article an is always used with nouns that begin with vowel sounds. Example, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. As I said, a is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. Say for example, a man, a lamp, a cat. So M, L and C, these letters have consonant sound. The indefinite article an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an eraser, an umbrella. To make your concept of articles more clear, look into the picture. A or an is used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. Example, I need a phone. So, I'm not referring to any particular phone. Similarly, whenever anything is used for the first time and any object when we introduce for the first time. Say for example, I saw a movie last night. So here I did not refer to the name of the movie. It's in general I saw a movie. But the is used for specific objects or objects that both the speaker and listener know. Example, can you give me the books on the table? And also the is used when we mention the object again. The movie is based on a real life incident. So for the first time I said I saw a movie, and the next time I am saying that particular movie which I saw last night is based on real life incident. Now let's have a quick revision of the chapter articles and let's see what we have learned today about articles. So we have seen there are two types of articles. Number one, indefinite, and number two, definite. So indefinite articles are a and an, whereas the definite article is the. The difference between a and an is a and an have the same meaning. A and an are indefinite articles, but the difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. When the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use a. Example, a book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. But when the next word starts with a vowel sound, we use an. Example, an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Be careful, students. The sound of the letter is important. We use a house. We use an uncle. But in case of our, H-O-U-R, the H at the beginning of our is silent. So the sound becomes our. Hence, we need to use an just because of the vowel sound. Similarly, the U at the beginning of the university sounds like you. It's not a vowel sound. It's not you. It's you. So the university, the vowel sound is not there. We are using a consonant sound, you. So we are using a before university. One thing which is very important to state here is this rule of a and an is applied to all words that comes after it. Say for example, including adjectives and adverbs. A cold day. So the C is a consonant sounds before the noun day. Cold is here an adjective. Hence, we are using a cold day. A very crazy person. So the very here is an adverb and the V has a consonant sound. That's why we are using a. Similarly, in case of lesson, if I say it's an easy lesson, so the lesson is noun here, but the article is placed because of the adjective and the vowel sound of the adjective. Easy. Clear? Class is a noun, but interesting is an adjective. So before interesting, we need to put an, not a, because the beginning letter of interesting starts with I and it has a vowel sound. So we need to put an interesting class. Am I clear, students? So here ends the lesson. Hope you all have understood and enjoyed the lesson. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to ask me in the DCC classes. Thank you, students. Stay safe. Bye bye.